stop. If your income doubled tomorrow, would you automatically become rich? Most people would say, of course. But think about this. If earning more money was all it took to become wealthy, why do so many people with good salaries still struggle financially? The truth is, earning more and becoming wealthy are two completely different things. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about what you do with the money you earn. Today, we're going to look at 5 financial habits that can help turn your income into long-term wealth. And the 5th one may be the most important. Let's begin. Habit number 1, control lifestyle inflation. Imagine you earn $4,000 a month. Then your income increases to $6,000. Now you have 2 choices. You can upgrade everything: a more expensive phone, a better car, more shopping, more subscriptions, and more unnecessary spending. Or you can take part of that extra income and put it towards saving and investing. Because if your expenses rise, every time your income rises, your income may be growing, but your wealth isn't. That's lifestyle inflation. So let me ask you, if your income increased by 50% tomorrow, what would you do? Save, invest, or spend? Tell me in the comments. Habit number 2, pay yourself first. Most people receive their salary, pay their bills, go shopping, enjoy entertainment, and then try to save whatever is left. But often, nothing is left. A better approach is to set aside a portion for saving or investing before spending the rest. Because if saving isn't a priority, spending will always find a reason. Habit number 3, make your money work. Saving money is important. Having an emergency fund is important. But for long-term wealth building, many people also use investing. Why? Because time can become one of your biggest financial advantages. This is where compound growth can become powerful. Small amounts, invested consistently, may grow significantly over long periods. But remember, investing involves risk. So blindly following a stock, a cryptocurrency, or a social media trend isn't a financial strategy. Learn first. Understand the risks. Understand your goals. Then make informed decisions. Habit number 4, avoid the get-rich-quick mindset. Open social media, and you'll see promises everywhere. Double your money. Get rich in 30 days. Use this secret strategy. But real wealth is usually much less exciting. It isn't built overnight. It is built through saving, investing, discipline, and time. Someone constantly chasing quick money can lose money just as quickly. So here's a question. Would you rather have quick money in 1 year or stronger wealth over 10 years? Comment. 1 year or 10 years? Habit number 5, financial education. The more money you earn, the more important your financial decisions become. Learn budgeting, learn investing, understand debt, understand taxes, and most importantly, understand your own money psychology. Because sometimes, the biggest financial problem isn't your income, it's your behavior. Fear can make you sell, greed can make you buy, and social pressure can make you spend money you don't really need to spend. So before making your next major financial decision, ask yourself one simple question. Will this decision strengthen my future or just make me feel good today? That question can completely change the way you think about money. Now it's your turn. Which of these 5 habits is the hardest for you? Saving, investing, spending control, or patience? Tell me in the comments. Remember, Being wealthy isn't simply about earning more money. Real wealth means having control over your money, control over your spending, control over your emotions, and the discipline to make decisions today that your future self will thank you for. If you found this financial lesson valuable, like this video. Share your answer in the comments and subscribe to Wealth Harbor Network for more practical lessons on money, investing, and building long-term wealth. Remember, your financial future is being built by the small decisions you make today. Thanks for watching.